Dear students, in this video, I am going to give the answers of the chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Subject and Predicate. In your textbook, page number 6, warm-up exercises. Question is, fill in the blanks, mention whether the highlighted word or phrase is a subject or a predicate. Leda lives in Bangalore. The highlighted word is Leta, therefore it is a subject. Catty is a sweet girl. Is a sweet girl the predicate? The students studied well. The students is the subject. I have cereal for breakfast. Have cereal for breakfast is the predicate here. The boys arrived late. Arrived late is the predicate. The little child was shy. The little child is the subject. The journey was too long and tedious. Was too long and tedious is the predicate. Pluto is no longer considered a planet of the solar system. No longer considered a planet of the solar system is the predicate. Now the next exercises, page number 7 to 8. Underline the subjects and circle the predicates. Identify the compound subjects and predicates. So here the answers are given one after the other. The first one, I play with my friends every day. In this sentence, I the subject, play with my friends every day is the predicate. The earth is moving in its orbit and spinning on its axis. In this sentence, the earth is the subject, rest of the sentence is the predicate. Please chop the vegetables. In this sentence, it is the imperative sentence, therefore subject is not given. The you is supposed to be the subject. You chop the vegetables. Rest is the predicate. You is the subject. Please chop the vegetables is the predicate. Astronauts train for several months and then travel to space. In this sentence, astronauts is the subject. Rest everything is the predicate. It is a compound predicate. In second one also, the earth is moving in its orbit and spinning in on its axis. The earth is the subject. Rest everything is the compound predicate. Therefore, it is because it has been added with a conjunction called and. The answers to the first ones are here. Mohan wrote a letter to the editor of the newspaper. Mohan is the subject. Wrote a letter to the editor of the newspaper is the predicate. The man in the blue shirt is my uncle. The man in the blue shirt is the subject. Is my uncle is the predicate. The teachers in our school are very kind. The teachers in our school is the subject. Are very kind is the predicate. My friend's mother is in the hospital. My friend's mother is the subject. Is in the hospital is the predicate. The answers are here. Once again to show the answers. They are eating and chatting at the same time. They is the subject. Are eating and chatting at the same time is the compound predicate. You and your friends can go to the stadium. you and your friends are the subject. These are the compound subject. Can go to the stadium is the predicate. Renowned master storyteller Jeffrey Archer wrote a book recently. Renowned master storyteller Jeffrey Archer is the subject here. Wrote a book recently is a predicate. The Air Force is a powerful wing of the Indian Armed Forces. The Air Force is the subject here. Is a powerful wing of the Indian Armed Forces is the predicate here. The cows and the sheep are grazing. The cows and the sheep are the compound subject. Are grazing is the predicate. Walnuts are healthy snacks and they taste good. Walnut is the subject here. Are healthy snacks and they taste good is the compound predicate. Your car may run well, but you must get it serviced at regular intervals. Your car is a subject here, may run well, but you must get it serviced at regular intervals is a compound predicate. Monica studied hard and cleared the exam. Monica is the subject, studied hard and cleared the exam is the compound predicate. The rise in the temperature is rather worrying. The rise in the temperature is the subject, is rather worrying is the predicate. Charity begins at home. Charity is the subject, begins at home is the predicate. The apples and the bananas are on the table. The apples and the bananas are the compound subjects, are on the table is the predicate. Reading Sherlock Holmes stories is what excites me most. Reading Sherlock Holmes stories is what exciting me most. In this sentence, reading Sherlock Holmes stories is the subject here, is what excites me most is the predicate here. Playing chess is his favorite hobby. Playing chess is the subject, is his favorite hobby is the predicate. Vinayak's grandmother helped him with his homework. Vinayak's grandmother is the subject here. Helped him with his homework is a predicate. The event was success. The event is the subject. Was a success is the predicate. Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma are in good form. Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma are the compound subject. Was are in good form is a predicate. India is a truly incredible country. India is the subject, is a truly incredible country is the predicate. Puppies and kittens are a tremendous responsibility. Puppies and kittens are the subject here. Are tremendous responsibility is the predicate. Amol and Tanya have been friends since the first day of the school. Amol and Tanya is the compound subject here. have been friends since the first day of the school is the predicate here. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adjectives are the parts of speech. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adjectives are the compound subject, are parts of the speech, the predicate here. The other parts of speech are prepositions, adverbs, conjunctions, and interjections. In this sentence, the other parts of speech in the subject are prepositions, adverbs, conjunctions, and interjections are the compound predicate in this sentence. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a brilliant scientist, a wonderful human being, and the 11th President of India. In this sentence, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the subject, was a brilliant scientist, a wonderful human being, and 11th President of India is the compound predicate. Now we have the another set of the exercises. The page number 10. Underline the subject in each of these sentences. First, look at the cuckoo on that tree. In this subject is not mentioned, therefore you need to add you in the subject. It was a funny joke. Subject is it. Mix the butter and the sugar first. You is the subject. Enjoy your new hobby. You is the subject. It has been very damp and dark since morning. It is the subject. One of my hobbies is bird watching. One of my hobby is the subject. Are burgers and fries good for you? Burgers and fries is the subject. Return this book to the library immediately. You is the subject. Do you realize the importance of studying hard? You is the subject. Different species of animals and plants grow on this island. Different species of animals and plants is the subject in this sentence. Again, page number 10. Complete the sentence by adding suitable compound subjects and predicates. You can add your own answers, no problem. All logical answers will be accepted. These are the answers that I have given you, but you can write your own subjects and predicates, provided they are logical. The last book I read was very interesting and exciting. Ganga Yamuna are the names of the rivers in India. My mother takes care of my health and studies. Polar bears and penguins live near the South Pole. Nandu and Queen play in the park every Sunday. Pomegranate centuries are red and juicy. Homemade dishes are healthy, tasty, and good for us. A caterpillar turns into butterfly. Jack and Jill are good friends. Shimla and Masuri have snowfall every winter. Dear children, here we come to an end of the video. These are the answers to the chapter number 2, subject and predicate. God bless.